Hi, this is your BoomerTech guide, Chris Toy, and today we're going to show you 3 ways that you can conserve your battery power while using your iPhone or your iPad. First of all, one of the main energy drains on your battery is the screen. So the way to save power is to dim the brightness of your screen. So to do that, we'll go to Settings, which is right here, the gray gear, and we'll just tap on that, and that will take us to Settings, and we'll just slide down to where it says Display and Brightness. So we'll tap on that, and you'll see right up here at the top there's a slider. And right now it's set on the brightest setting. So all we need to do to dim that screen is to move the slider. Just like that. And that will significantly reduce the drain on your battery. If you're in bright light, you may want to make it brighter. But if you use this at night or indoors, generally speaking, you can put it at a lower setting and you can still see the screen. So that's one way you can do it. Another thing that uses your battery's power is when your phone is searching for a signal from the cell towers in order to use the internet. And you'll see right here under the settings, we're still in settings, we just slid up, you'll see that my Wi-Fi or my internet access is shut off. So right now my phone is looking for internet using the phone network, the cell phone network, which takes a lot of energy. So what I can do, since I have a Wi-Fi signal in my house, is I can turn this Wi-Fi on, tap, and then just tap the on switch, and you'll see that it has joined my home network, and you'll see up here there's the little Wi-Fi icon that shows the phone is accessing the internet through my Wi-Fi, which uses a lot less battery power than if it were just trying to do it through the cell phone towers. So anytime you can connect to a Wi-Fi network, it's going to use less of your battery than if you are trying to access the internet through the cell phone towers. So that's 2. So one more thing that you can do is if you go into what's called airplane mode, which you can see right here, it's right at the top. If I turn airplane mode on, what that will do is it will essentially cut off any kind of Wi-Fi or phone signal from my phone. I can still use my phone or my iPad as long as I'm not trying to get phone calls. It will still connect to Wi-Fi on the internet, but it will basically cut off the phone from trying to reach a tower. So if I turn that on, the airplane mode, you'll see that it turns off my cellular, and it also turns off my personal hotspot, which is how I set up internet access using my phone for other devices. But if I do that, it will save the battery. If I know I'm not expecting phone calls or anything like that, this wouldn't be a bad idea, before you go on, if you're driving or something like that. If you turn on the airplane mode, you won't get phone calls and you'll save the battery as well. So that's it. 3 ways that you can save battery power. First of all, adjusting the display and the brightness, using Wi-Fi whenever possible, and turning on airplane mode. I hope that helps you with conserving your battery power. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us some comments. This is Chris Toy, your BoomerTech guide.